It's finally getting warm outside. I'm looking forward to the warm weather. I like waking up and seeing the clear skies. The warm weather makes me get a lot more done. I get a lot more drawing done, and it feels nice waking up to the sound of the birds chirping and clear skies. This drawing here is of a bald eagle I did with a ballpoint pen. It took me about 30 minutes to do this drawing. I added more detail to this one than my other ones because originally it was going to be a 15-minute sketch, but I put a little bit more time into it to add more detail, and it was fun making this. I'm going to probably make this into a series of 15 to 30-minute sketches, and if you have any suggestions about any more you'd like to see me do for this series, go ahead and let me know. And I added some color to this one. I usually don't do that for a lot of my drawings. I just like to make my drawings in black and white. Simplistic, but allows me to draw in a style that's very comfortable for me. And black and white, which is what I've always preferred. But I've been trying and experimenting with different styles and different mediums. And I just wanted to thank you all for watching today. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.